Hi there! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create Word file on iPhone. Go to this Pages app, press this plus button, start writing, type something, go to the three-dot menu, Document Options, and rename it. I named it as my Word. Now go to Export, select Word. You can save to files or share it to someone. I share it via Telegram. It's done. Here it is. I hope you like it. Share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!